से कौन से श्लोक तक हुआ था? 6 तक हुआ था। 6 मतलब अद्वैतम अच्युतम अनादिम अनंत रूपम अद्यम पुराण पुरुषम नवजौवनम च अंगानी 5 तक हुआ था मेरे ख्याल से। अंगानी यश हुआ था। अंगानी यश हुआ था मेरे ख्याल से। अंगानी यश इज नंबर 5 ना? नंबर 5 अंगानी यश हुआ था। ओके। अंगानी यश सकलेंद्रिय वृत्तिमंती पश्चाति पांति कलायंती चिरम जगन्ति आनंद चिन्मय रसो प्रतिभाविताभि साविरेव निजरूप तोलाकलाभि गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तमहम भजमि तक हो गया तला से। So today we go number 6 अद्वैतम अच्युतम अनादिम अनंत रूपम आत्म पुराण पुरुषम नवजौवनम च वेदेषु दुर्लभम अदुर्लभम आत्मभक्तौ गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तमहम भजामि। Advaita means without a second. Dvaita means Ditya or second. Advaita means without a second. Advaitam. So Lord is Advaitam. We see the only one without a second. Advaitam Achyutam. Achyutam means infallible. We have sang a song also Achyutam Keshavam. That Achyutam means infallible. So he doesn't undergo any degradation or he doesn't fall down like us. We have fallen down from the spiritual world into this material world. But Lord is not like that. Krishna tells in Bhagavad Gita 15.16 Daumimau Purusha Uloke Shara Shakshara Evacha Shara Sharvani Bhutani Gutasta Akshara Muchate Daumimau Purusha Uloke. So in this Purusha Loke there are 2 types of living beings. Shara Akshara Evacha. One is Shara, fallible. One is Akshara, infallible. Shara Sharvani Bhutani Gutasta Akshara Uchate. So Sarvani Bhutani, there are Shara living being like us who are fallible, and Kutastha Akshara Uchate. Akshara means God, Supreme Lord, is there also in there. He is a different category of people living being. Supreme Lord and his different incarnations. All are Akshara. So the Akshara and they are infallible. So we have fallen down. We are also one time in the spiritual world, but we have fallen down because of our material desire to enjoy independent of the Supreme Lord. So we have fallen down to this material world of miseries. So we are called, that's why we are called Achyutam or fallible. But Lord is never fall. Lord doesn't fall ever. So he is called Achyutam. Advaitam Achyutam Anadim. Anadim means he is Adi Purusha. Adi Purusha means original Purusha. From him everybody came, but he doesn't have any other source. Advaitam Achyutam Anadim. Anadim Advaitam Achyutam Anadim. Next here, Anantarupam. Anantarupam. He has Anantarupa. So he has several incarnations, lakhs of crores of incarnations he has. So Jayadeva Goswami has only described 10 main incarnations, but he has lakhs and crores of incarnations. So Advaitam Achyutam Anadim Anantarupam. He has Anantarupa, Ananta infinite Rupa he has. Rupam Adam Purana Purusham. Adam Adi. Adam means Adi. He is the Adi. Purana Purusha. Purana means oldest person. Purana Purusha. Purana Purusha. Purusha means person. He is the oldest person. But still, how the oldest person normally looks like? We feel oldest person means normally he will be having beard and other things and wrinkles, etc. But his form is different. His form is Satchidananda Vigraha. The first sloka also it is told that Satchidananda Vigraha, Ishvara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda, Sarva Karana Karna. So he is Satchidananda Vigraha. Satchit is Vigraha is his form is Satchit Ananda. Sat means eternal. Eternally it is like the same. So here also it is told Advaitam Achyutam Anadim Anantarupam Adam Purana Purusham Navajovanam Cha. Navajovanam. Although he is a Purana Purusha, although he is the oldest person, but still he is Navayuvana Cha. Navayuvan. Navayuvan means fresh youth, like a 16 years old youth. He always looks like that. Navayuvana Cha. Adam Purana Purusham Navayuvana Cha. Vedeshu Durlabham. Vedeshu Durlabham. By studying the Vedas, etc., it is also, we can go to reach God, but still it is Durlabha. Durlabha means it is very difficult. It is difficult to attain God with the help of Vedas. Although Vedas is coming from Lord only, but still it is chapter 3.15. 3.15 क्या है? जल्दी ओपन करें भगवद गीता 3.15.
हरे कृष्णा.
3.15.
हरे कृष्णा.
उसके पहले 14 है. जल्दी जल्दी
हरे रामा
ब्रह्म कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवम विद्धि ब्रह्मक्षरम समुद्भवम तस्मात् सर्वगत ब्रह्म नित्यम यज्ञ समुद्भवम. So karma brahmodbhavam viddhi. Our prescribed duties are also coming from brahmodbhavam. Brahma means Veda. Karma brahmodbhavam viddhi brahmaksharam samudbhavam. Brahma is coming from akshara. So Lord's another name is also akshara. Akshara means who doesn't diminish in any form. Karma brahmodbhavam viddhi brahmaksharam samudbhavam tasmat sarvagata brahma nityam yajna pratishthitam. So therefore, if you doing our prescribed duties, we are connecting to the Supreme Lord. So prescribed duties are coming from Vedas, Vedas are coming from the Supreme Lord. Although Vedas are coming from the Supreme Lord, but here it is telling Advaitam Achyutam Anadim Anantarupam Adam Purana Purusha Navajovanamcha Vedeshu Durlabham. But still, this Durlabh through the path of the Vedas also it is Durlabha. Means you have to perform several years and years of tapasya and follow the Vedic scriptures properly, then only we can attain the Veda. It will take several lifetimes also. So it is told that's why Vedeshu Durlabham Adurlabham Atma Bhaktahu. But Adurlabham means Durlabha ka opposite is Adurlabham. Durlabham means what I told? Not easily attainable. Adurlabham means opposite. So easily attainable. Adurlabham Atma Bhaktahu. So one, if you have pure devotion in heart, then we can attain Lord very easily. That same Lord who can be difficult to attain through the Vedas, that Vedas will just come through the same Lord only. That Vedas has come. There is no difference between the Vedas and the God also. But through him, through the Vedas also, it is very difficult to attain the Lord in his personal form. Adurlabham Atma Bhaktav. But Adurlabham, it is not difficult by Atma Bhaktav, by Bhakti. Once we have Bhakti, it is very easy to attain the Lord. One of the another slokas also is in Brahma Samhita itself, I think 11th sloka. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena Santo Sadeva Hridayeshu Vilokayanti Yam Shama Sundaram Achinta Guna Sarupam Govinda Madi Purusha Tamaham Bhajami. So how Lord can be seen? Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena. When our eyes are filled with kajal of love. When eyes are filled with ointment of love, Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena Santo Sadeva Hridayeshu. That Santa whose eyes are filled with love, ointment of love of Lord, he can see the Lord. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena Santo Sadeva Hridayeshu. And he sees the Lord always within himself. Hridayeshu. Santo, that 70% sees the Lord always within himself. Santo Sadeva Hridayeshu Yam Shama Sundaram Achinta Guna Sarupam. He sees the which form of the Lord? Shama Sundaram form. Shama Sundaram form, or Krishna in the dark blackish form, Shama Sundara form. Shama Sundaram Achinta Guna Sarupam Govinda Madi Purusha Tamaham Bhajami. That Adi Purusha Govinda, I am doing worshipping that Adi Purusha Govinda. Advaitam Achyutam Anandi Madhantarupam Adam Purana Purusha Navajovanamcha Vedeshu Durlabham Adurlabham Atma Bhaktav. So when you have love, by love only Lord can be conquered, but by no other means. Lord Prabhupada also tells Jnane Pravasya Madhupasya Namanteva Jivanti Sammukharito Bhavadiya Vartam Sthani Sita Shruti Tonvang Monovirje E Prayasya Ajita Jita Apiyachi Tais Tailakam. So Jnane Pravasya Madhupasya. Once if we can attain God, Lord God by Jnana also. But Jnane Pravasya Madhupasya Namanto Eva Jivanti, but who leaves that Jnana Prayas also? But who does? Namanto Eva, who worships the Lord, worships offers obeisance to the Lord. Namanto Eva Jivanti Sammukaritam. And he lives his life by Sanmukaritam. Sun means saintly persons. Jivanti Sanmukaritam. What comes from the mouth of the saintly person is Bhavadiya Vartam. Bhavadiya Vartam is Varta of the Lord comes out of the mouth of saintly person. One who leads a life based on that Varta. Jivanti Sanmukaritam Bhavadiya Vartam Sthane Sthita Shrutigatam. Sthane Sthita. He need not go to any holy place or anywhere. Sthane Sthita. He can be fixed in his Sthan. Shrutigatam Tanubhan Mono he Bhidja. And he is Tanubhan Mono. He is with rapt attention with his body, mind and speech. E Prayasya Ajita Jita Apiyachi Tais Tailakam. One who leads a life like that only, who always hears the holy Harikatha of the Lord coming from the mouth of pure devotees like Srila Prabhupada, etc. And he is situated in the same place, he is not going anywhere also. He is only hearing the holy name of the Lord, hearing the holy Harikatha of the Lord. Then for him, Jivanti Sanmukaritam Bhavadiya Vartam, he is hearing the Bhavadiya Varta. स्थानीय स्थिता श्रुति होता बहुधी
थोड़ा सा आ गया
ये प्रायश्य अजित अजित भोप्योसी सही स्थल कम he can conquer the lord is another name is ajita means who cannot be conquered but that person who hears the katha of the lord from saintly person always by tanu one full with rapt attention he can win the lord ajito jitopyoshi tai strelokam in this three world god cannot be conquered but that person who leads his life based on hari katha then hearing from saintly person he can conquer the lord easily so there are also premanjana churita bhakti because he has the eyes pointed with the kajal of love with kajal of love only we can see the lord jashoda mata how she can bound the lord because of love only who can bound the lord nobody can bind the lord but jashoda mata because of his love only she could bind the lord with the ropes so only with love we can bind the lord but by no other means including the vedas also premanjana then vedeshu durlabham adurlabham aktu bhaktu so but through the atma bhaktu who are pure devotees of the lord to them lord is very easily approachable very easily attainable but otherwise lord is very difficult to attain next number 12 नहीं number नहीं प्रेमा नंबर कितना हुआ 6 हुआ ना अभी 6 हुआ ना अद्वैतम अच्युतम अनादि हाँ पंथास्तु कोटि शतवत्सर संप्रगाम्य वायुरथापि मनोज मुनि पुंगमाना श्यापि अस्ति यत् प्रपादिशिनि अविचिन्त तत्ते प्लीज टेक प्रसादम प्लीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट प्रसादम पंथास्तु कोटि शतवत्सर संप्रगाम्य वायुरथापि मनोज मुनि पुंगमानम श्यापि अस्ति यत् प्रपादिशिनि अविचिन्त तत्ते गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि पंथास्तु कोटि शतवत्सर संप्रगाम्य so by the process of negation or jnana abhyas of jnana etc or by only meditation or negating which is material which is spiritual if you know you can get rid of the material things and get hold of the spiritual things so this is one process of getting rid of the negative things and by that slowly going towards the positive so by that process if you go by the dhyan process and jnana process if you go to reach it may take millions of lifetimes also there is no guarantee that we will reach in this lifetime but it may take millions of lifetimes also pantastu koti satavatsara sampragamo vayu rathapi manusha muni pungamana so by the greatest of munis also if you are following this path there is no guarantee that you will attain the lord quickly it may take millions of lifetimes पंथस्तु कोटि शतवत्सर संप्रगाम्य वायुरथापि मनोज मुनि पुंगमाना शापि अस्ति यत् प्रपादिशिनि अविचिन्त तत्ते he also can know the lord very little as the tip of the toenail so the lord's form you imagine so now there is the nail in the thumb and the tip of the toe of the nail so that much only he can understand the lord अविचिंत तत्ते प्रपादशिनि पाद means limb tat prapadashini अविचिंत तत्ते गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि that adi purush govinda I worship that adi purush govinda number 8 क्या है एकोपि असौ रचयितं जगदण्ड कोटि च अशेष मसुदा विभूति विघ्नं तत् ब्रह्म विनिष्कन् नहीं एकोपि असौ रचयितं जगदण्ड कोटि यच्चक्तिरस्ति जगदण्डछाया यदंतरस्थ अंडस्तरस्थ परमाणु छायांतरस्थ गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि so एकोपि असौ रचयितं जगदण्ड कोटि so he is the only one who has created these millions of crores of universes एकोपि असौ रचयितं जगदण्ड कोटि then next line क्या है यत् शक्ति अस्ति जगदण्ड छाया यत् अंधस्थ अंडंतरस्थ परमाणु छायांतरस्थं गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि so he only created these millions of universes अंडंतरस्थ परमाणु छायांतरस्थ अंडंतरस्थ but he थर्ड लाइन क्या एग्जैक्टली थर्ड लाइन का स्टडी अंडांतरस्थ परमाणु चायन. So अंडांतरस्थ. So within him that all the universe is there, but still he is there in every paramanu. So paramanu chayantarastham. Within in every atom also, within every atom, with paramanu chayantarastham. Within every atom also, but he is present. Although he is huge and gigantic, that these crores of universes are also within him. At the same time, simultaneously, he is so small that he is there within each and every atom also, which is the smallest particle of the universe also. He is there within that also. So that is called he is called Achinta Veda Veda Tattva. So his tattva is not understandable. Simultaneously he is two types of opposites. He can exhibit simultaneously two types of opposites. That's why that Achinta Veda Veda Tattva comes to it in detail, but we will not go into that. So Anantara, so he has created millions of universes. So that means millions of universes are within him. At the same time, he is there within each and every atom also. So during the creation, he takes the Karanaptasai Vishnu. From Karanaptasai by Vishnu only, these millions of universes are created. Universes are coming out through his exhalation. During his exhalation, these millions of universes are coming out, and during his inhalation, all the universes are again coming within him. And again, it is during exhalation is coming out. This exhalation is billions of years. And that coming down, and within this each and every universe, one Vishnu again enters that universe and takes care of that universe. That Vishnu is called Garvadakshaya Vishnu. The Vishnu who enters within each universe, that Vishnu is called Garvadakshaya Vishnu. Then the Vishnu who enters within each and every atom as Paramatma, he is Shirabdichai Vishnu. So Vishnu mainly three types: Karanaptasai Vishnu, Garvadakshaya Vishnu, and Shirabdichai Vishnu. So he can exhibit all types of forms, and all types of forms are having the same quality. Advaitam, Achyutam, all are infallible. Anadim, Anantarupam. That's why it is called Anantarupam. He has Anantarupa, infinite forms. Lord can take infinite forms. Next one क्या है? जब भाव भाविता धियो मनुजस्तथैव संप्रप रूप महिमा सन ज्ञान भूषा सुक्तैर्यमेव निगम प्रतिताय स्तुवन्ति गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि. जब भाव भाविता धियो मनुजस्तथैव. Manujas means man, purified man. Jad bhava bhavita, by whose bhava, by Lord's bhava, means Lord bhava means by his devotion. By jad bhava bhavita dhiyo manujas tataiva samprappo rupo mahimashana bhushana. So the pure devotees who are in his bhava gets liberated. When they get liberated, they go to the spiritual kingdom. When they go to the spiritual kingdom, they get back their eternal form. Samprappo Rupo Mahima Asana Bhushana. They get back their Samprappo Rupo. They get back their original form which is indestructible. So our forms is always transforming. Dehinashmin Jatha Dehe Kaumaram Jobanam Jatha Tatha Dehantara Prapti Dhiras Tatranam Mochati. Our form is always transferring, and the Atma is transmigrating from that one form to the other. But that when we reach that spiritual kingdom, that is the eternal form. Samprappo Rupo, he gets back that Samprappo eternal form. Rupa Mahima, he gets back his glories also. So in material world, our glories are limited. So today I may do some glorious act, people will praise me. Tomorrow again the same people will criticize me for some other bad work. So the glories are also very fickle, very temporary. But the glory, when we reach the spiritual kingdom, so our glories will be eternal. Samprappa Rupa Mahima Asana Bhusha. And Asana, we will get our throne. Each of us will be having our throne also. Throne means क्या है? हिंदी में क्या है? Throne में throne का हिंदी क्या है? नहीं, throne का हिंदी क्या है? Throne. THRONE. Gaddi. Gada. So he will get back his Gada also. Our Gada is only for 5 years. Right, sir? Our politicians will get Gadya for maximum 5 years. Or somebody may get extension different. But generally 5 years, after 5 years they will be very tension whether I will have or not. During the 5 years also they are in tension. Towards the end of five years there is lot of tension. Sleepless nights, whether I will get back that Gadya or not. So their Gadya is also, their throne is temporary. But when we go back to the spiritual world, our Gadya will be eternal. Samprappa Rupa Mahima Asana Bhusha. And our dresses also, we get the spiritual dresses also. So all these things are very spiritual, very nicely. We'll get back all this once we get liberated and go back to the spiritual kingdom. We'll get back all these lost things which we have lost and come back to the spiritual material world because of our desire to enjoy independently. But we'll go back to the spiritual kingdom once we generate the again love for Godhead. By love for Godhead only, we can get rid of this material lust, kama, and by that slowly we can get more and more love for Godhead, and by that we can get liberated and go back to the spiritual kingdom and get back to our real happy eternal life. और एक श्लोक करेंगे या छोड़ देंगे? One more sloka or we'll leave it today? So today we'll end it. So if any discussion is there, 5 minutes we can discuss. Otherwise we'll end. ये ऑनलाइन कट हो गया, कब कट हो गया पता नहीं, ये मोबाइल से कट हो गया पता नहीं, ऑनलाइन एक्चुअल कट हो गया कि नहीं. Any discussion means 5 minutes we can have, otherwise we can end. कुछ है? Anything you want to add or anything? ठीक है, next session you next class you take. Yeah, meaning of Vishnu Shastra you start.
The glory and the importance.
Yeah, you start that next class. So, okay, हरे कृष्ण को end करते हैं. Namaste Narasimhaya. Shila